Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you a very healthy version of pancakes. This is my childhood favorite cottage cheese pancakes. They are very easy to make, they're delicious as well, and they're healthy because I'm replacing the regular flour with buckwheat flour. So they are healthy, they're gluten-free and they're delicious. So let's get started. So for this amazing cottage cheese pancakes you would need 400 grams of cottage cheese. I am buying it from the Polish grocery store, or you can use instead ricotta cheese, is perfectly fine. 2 eggs, 100 grams of buckwheat flour, about 30 to 40 mils of vegetable sunflower oil, and about 3 to 4 grams of salt. These pancakes are very easy to make, just a few steps to follow, and they're delicious as well, and healthy, don't forget. So first step, what we'll do, we'll mix the actual cottage cheese with the flour and with the eggs and just make a nice mixture. So in a bowl, just place the cottage cheese, the eggs, the salt and the flour, and mix it well with a fork. After everything is well combined, just set the mixture aside for about 10 minutes for the flour just to be more flexible. Meanwhile, just sprinkle a chopping board with some flour. So to form the cottage cheese pancakes, we will need a spoon and just to scoop about 50 grams of the mixture. This is just, it looks like this. With your clean hands, just put a bit of vegetable oil on your hands to prevent the sticking of the pancakes. Take the mixture, form into a ball, and just flatten it. We need about 1 centimeter thick of the pancake. Just like this. Place it on the board, and meanwhile preheat a non-stick frying pan on a medium heat. So place just a bit of oil on the pan and make sure that you are heating it properly. We want that crust to form. Place the pancake. You want to hear that sizzle when you place them on the pan. Don't put them too early, otherwise the cheese is going to melt. Fry on each side 3 to 4 minutes. But when you are just placing them, fry them about 30 seconds on medium heat and after decrease. To flip the pancakes, use a spatula, slightly put under, just turn it on the other side. And fry it on this side as well, 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium heat. So after 4 minutes on the other side, this is how they look. So this is now perfect. Even though the first part, it's a bit, seems that it's burned, but it's actually not, because we do have the flour here, the buckwheat flour, and the pan was a bit more hot, so that's why it's more dark. But this is the actual perfect texture. So now we remove them on a plate and we can serve them just like this, hot or cold, with some sour cream. So this was my recipe of healthy cottage cheese pancakes. Oh wow, enjoy! They are indeed delicious. Yes, as I said, they are indeed delicious. They are super healthy, easy to make. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new interesting, healthy and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.